Hello and welcome back. In the previous lecture, we learned about comparison, logical, and bitwise operators. And in this lecture, we are going to learn about identity and membership operators. First, we will start with identity operators. Identity operators compare the memory locations of two objects. Whenever an object or a variable is created, Python always assigns reserved memory to it. Let us check the different types of identity operators that we have. Let us start with is operator, which evaluates to true if the variable on either side of the operator point to the same object and false otherwise. For example, x is equal to 10, y is equal to 10. X is y results true. Z is equal to 20. X is z results false. Next we have is not operator, which evaluates to false if variables on either side of the operator point to the same object and true otherwise. Example, x equals 10, y equals 20. X is not y results true. Z is equal to 20. Y is not z results false. Let us move on to the second operator, that is the membership operator. Membership operators are operators used to validate the membership of a value. Let us check the different types of membership operators that we have. Let us start with the in operator. In operator evaluates to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. For example, t is equal to 3, 6, 4, 1. 3 in t results true. Next we have is the not in operator, which evaluates to true if it does not find a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. For example, t is equal to 6, 3, 9, 0, 5. 5 not in t results false. So in this lecture, we learned about identity and membership operators. Next, I have a short quiz for you to test your learnings about operators. And in the next section, we are going to learn about strings and string methods. Till then, keep enjoying Python.